Hi guys, it's me UB Programmer and welcome to the R programming series. And in this video we're gonna talk about some advanced visualizations with ggplot2 package in R, right? So this is our topic, and if you are enrolled in any bachelor or master program, you can contact me on WhatsApp or mail in order to discuss about your coursework and projects you are working on. Okay, let's get started with our topic. I have downloaded a CSV and made a data frame to load in it RStudio. So you go to like film names, movie genre, movie ratings, movie budget, and year or release, right? Let's just do one thing, that we will just check the column names of our data frame, and you got these column names, right? And you can obviously see these are not like written in the best form, but we will just deal with it, right? We can obviously change column names by giving it a vector, but let's keep it this way. We will just copy paste this, right? And let me just import the library ggplot2, and maybe in the quotation, and yes, so we have just loaded our library. And now this time we will be using ggplot function. Before that we were using qplot, which is like q is for quick, so it was like quick plots, right? But that's the main function of this package, so we will use this now. It's same like you have to mention your data name, which is df. We have created this here, and then in the ggplot package or ggplot function, you have to define aesthetics of your charts. So aesthetics are like your mappings, what you want to show in your chart. So like x and y. So x will be budget millions. Okay, budget millions. And let's say y will be audience ratings. So we want to check how our budget is related with the audience ratings, right? And let's just run this line and see if something happens. Okay, so it's saying budget million not found. Yes. Okay, so it's like one more this dot, so that's why I was just saying to change the names, but let's delete. Yeah, so we go to like empty, this anything. So what we have to do is we have to add geom point function to show it as a chart, right? Geom point, and let's run it now. So we got, let me just, yeah, make it bigger. So you have audience ratings and budget millions, but let's you can always like change the size and colors, it's on you. But let's see what we are getting, or what we can get inside from this chart. So as the budget grows in million or increase, right, so it's like less chance of getting a less audience rating, right? So if it's not like you are spending a lot and getting the lower audience rating, but it's like you are it's not like that you are spending a lot, but it's not guaranteed that you can get highest rating, but instead our chart is showing you can get average rating with the maximum budget, and the producers who are spending less budget can also have audience ratings up to 90%, right? So budget matters, but not in like the absolute way. So you can have a great storyline and have a good audience rating. That's like our chart is showing us. Now we will see other charts in and graphs which can be produced with this ggplot function. So let's plot some histogram or density charts. So I will just make a comment about that, density charts. And so what we can do is we will just take this line of code and paste it here. So ggplot data is this, and in the statistics we have only one column, right? Only one column, because we are producing a density chart. And then with the plus sign I will just say geom, and this time it will be hist for histogram, right? Let's plot this out. Okay, so let's make it full histogram. I think I am just misspelling it or something like that. Okay, and yeah, so you got the histogram with the ggplot function, right? So you can see the more movies are being made in this budget, in the, you can say 10 to 70 or 10 to 60 million dollars, right? And you can just specify your bin size through the geom hist function, and you can just arrange it accordingly, right? And then color can be also being set. I want it red. Let's make it. Yeah, it has to be in the quotations. So you got like these borders, and you can fill it also. Let's fill it with the genre, right? So what's the comedy, and like which genre does this film belong to, right? Let's see that how we can do that. Fill, and in our function we had genre as this is like without dots. That's good. And if we run this now, okay, we haven't found the genre. What's the problem? Let me just again check the spelling and all. Yeah, let's just keep it in a quotation mark, right, to make it as a string. Okay, and it's not being showed. Let's change the bin size. So you have to like experiment with your data, right? So okay, it's not giving us the result. Let's change something else. So what we have done is we have just created a variable, a separate variable, so that we can just override the statics afterwards, right? And use the ggplot function data, and then our static, which is our x budget million, and then we are adding in that variable the geom histogram function with the bin width 10, and the aesthetic fill is equal to genre, right? And then color is all black, right? Which is like for this border. So you can see this category or these films belong to action, which have higher like uh, which are in that point, right? With the budget millions. Great. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and we will see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.